I'm Travis Muradas, Service Drive Manager, Kendall Ford, Lincoln Mazda of Bend. Let me take you on a shop tour. This is our service drive here. This is where customers pull their vehicles in and walk to our service advisors where they can be assisted. Here's where our service advisors are, where they can take information down from the customers, get all the accurate information needed to get repairs done. From there, the customers can walk to our waiting room. This is our parts department, where customers can get parts over the counter. Here's where all of our technicians get their parts ready to go. When repair orders are printed, they have parts ready to be installed on their vehicles. And my shop's just right through this door, so it's quick and easy access. This is one of our shops. We actually have 2 buildings and with shops in them. This particular building has 10 lifts and 7 open stalls. Here we have all of our technicians that are all certified either through Mazda or Ford and Lincoln. This is our tool room. We have brake lathes, lifts, and other equipment needed to do your job. This is our alignment room where we have our alignment machine to the left, and to the right there's actually one more extra stall for my quick lube department to do any kind of repairs they need to do. This is our second shop. We have 6 lifts and 3 flat stalls, as well as a tire and balancing machine. This is my customer area for the quick lube department, where you will get checked in and relax while we work on your vehicle. We have 2 drive-over pits, 2 stalls and lifts inside, and 2 lifts outside. Thank you for joining me on the shop tour. If you want to join Kendall Ford of Bend, please click on the link below, and I'm more than happy to have you here.
Kendall, let's start something great.